Welcome to ROI Maker. Friends, you are very much welcome on your YouTube channel. Friends, if you have not been successful in any MLM plan yet, then today I am going to tell you about the company's business plan. This is such a plan through which you can earn millions and crores of income sitting at home. So you can work today by applying ID. First of all, you subscribe to our channel and you like our video. You can share this video as much as you can. The company has all the legal documents which are necessary to run the company. The company's office and branch is in all over India, which gives you a chance to make good income. The company has all kinds of certificates that run every company is necessary for. Vision. The company wants to create a good environment in MLM where there can be good growth of the people associated with the company. The company provides a financial security to the people associated with the company, and the company will provide you 24 hours service where everyone can get good results and everyone can benefit. Company investment. The minimum amount of investment in the company is 1000 rupees and the maximum amount is 10 lakh rupees, on which you get a good return on investment. Return on investment 10% daily for 5 days. After 3% 50 days. Business plan. Now we talk about the company's business plan. The company will be launched this month, which will give good return to its investors. The company claims here that if you stay with the company for a long time, then the company can give you good money. Level income. The company gives returns to its investors according to the level of income, which is as follows. Gives you 5% income in the first level. Gives you 4% income in the second level. Gives you 3% income in the third level. Gives you 2% income in the fourth level. Gives you 1% income in the fifth level. Terms and conditions. There are some terms and conditions of the company which you can follow. You can create your ID from a mobile phone. You can reinvest anytime in any amount. Minimum withdrawal amount is 500. You can withdraw money daily. Admin charge 15%. TDS charge 0%. Company payouts. Company's payout system is very good. You can withdraw money daily. Who can do this business? This business can be done by everyone, whether it is working or non-working, student or retired, even if it is a housewife who has to earn extra income. Everyone can do it sitting at home. Here you can do it full-time and part-time also. It doesn't matter qualification. Contact us. For more information, visit our website. Thank you.